This is how we can bring our bird safely. The bird gets less stressed inside box. We can simply take any cardboard box of required size and make sufficient holes using pencil or pen. Always use tree branches in your cage. It helps birds to keep their feet in good health. They also chew wood, which keep their beaks strong and fit. I have used neem tree branch especially because if consumed by bird it will kill harmful parasites inside them. If your cage is empty, then place the box inside the cage and let the birds come out. In case you are adding new birds, make sure you put them in the cage early in the morning. It gives birds enough time to settle down with other birds, and you can also monitor your birds' behavior. If they fight with one another, you get plenty of time to separate them and make necessary arrangements. Next morning, I added some hay and placed water and food. Hay can be used for nesting. In summer, you can give water in earthen pots to keep the water cool. But clean the watering pot daily to avoid any bacterial growth, parasites, or disease. For nesting, make sure you give your birds a wooden or earthen pot nesting box because the female bird won't lay egg easily if the nesting box is not strong enough to keep them safe. Avoid cardboard nesting boxes if you want better result. Most important thing is that if your budgies are less than 1 year old, don't provide them nesting box because it can lead to serious health issues and the bird will die. When it comes to healthy food for budgies, give them good quality chinna, green leafy vegetables, avoid tomatoes, potatoes, green chilies. In fruits, avoid citrus fruits like orange. Feed them natural food for better health. In this short video, I have given you enough detail to start things in right direction. But for each topic like food, health, breeding, disease, nesting box, etc., a detailed video is coming soon. So please like, subscribe and comment to motivate us to make even bigger cages or aviary with all kinds of birds. If you need video on a specific topic, please comment. Thanks.